Hi, very good morning to everyone. My name is Rihan Ahmed. I'm a marketer for last 6 years. So, on behalf of Remax Infinity, I'm here to do a small edu session on the email marketing, on how we can make worth of email marketing and to get a maximum output of it. And first of all, what I want to tell you all, like email marketing is a direct way to approach a large group of people. So it's a good platform where we can build the brand awareness. So these are the bit of findings why the email campaigns are really effective way of marketing, because that currently 80% of content market use email campaigns, and 55% percent of the companies generate more than 10%. This is the least amount that I have mentioned, leads from marketing campaigns, and it has a really good ROI. Why I'm saying that it has a really good ROI is because we can even, like, there are two ways that we can do an email campaign. So one is like we can do it by our own self, or we can outsource it. I'll take you all in detail in the upcoming slide, because I have allocated a special slide for that. And it's easy to target your audience to hit the right databases. For example, like if you are doing the email campaign, so like since we are into that real estate, so we can get the people who are into real estate. So example, like there are big exhibitions which is take placing in Sri Lanka, like construction expo, build sell, and Candela. So these are something relevant, go with the real estate theme. So like we can get their databases, and we can even do some email circulation for that. So we can, even though we didn't get direct leads, it will have a platform to build a reference. So these are, as I mentioned you in my previous slide, these are two ways of to do a email campaigns. One is we can do it by ourselves, so which is like cheaper way, and we can use it for the databases that we have. So like I have some databases which I can happy to share with you all. So like there are some softwares like Mailchimp, like you can if you are sending more than 500 contacts, you need to pay for that. But below 500, you can use the free version. So, and the other, the second platform is you can outsource it. So there are like email vendors who do the like sometimes you all might email that you're getting the emails for your inbox, right? So those are sent by email vendors who having your email addresses. For example, like I highly recommend Build Response, because they have brought me good leads and the eye contact, and there are so many others. There are so many, like more than like 50, 20 to 25 there are reputed email vendors in Sri Lanka. And why email marketing? uh, there are like big benefit, like as I said, you all mentioned before, like it can target the large audience. Normally one email vendor will be having like 200 to 500 emails in their database. Out of that, if we get like at least a 10% or 5%, it's going to create big 10% of leads as email campaign. And we can target the corporates and the high earning people. Normally the emails that they are having in their databases, like the so for example, like if you take the professional, like the organizations, it's not normal organizations, which is a blue chip organization. For example, like Mars, Brandix, Hydra Money, John Keels, likewise. And it's one way of getting a referral as well. Even though they were not interested, I have, with my experience, like even they would like to forward it. If someone, if for example, like if he send a email fly saying that there is a property in Nuggegoda, so if they have someone, maybe a friend or someone, like even they will, it will pinch them to like to forward it to that relevant person. So that is one way of referral as well, and which is like a cost effective lead generation campaign that we have at the moment. So before you sending a email campaigns, there are main points that you need to like consider before you sending an email campaign. For example, subject line. This is where most of the people go wrong. So, but if you are mentioning a subject line in the email campaign, it's better to avoid. It's not better, but you must avoid spammy words. Like what I mean by spammy words, like if you mention like free discounted and the promotion giveaways, if you because it has a option the software which if is if you mention those kind of words, like it can lead you to the spam or junk email, the email, the specific email. So you have to make sure the subject line should be a unique subject line. If you are sending 2 or 3 email campaigns, so in each email campaign you have to make separate subject line, and there is a email the subject line checker as well, which I can you can find it in Google also. If you type like email, you just have to type the subject and check if it's above 80%, that it's good to go. And the sender's name. So I think we have like more than 8 to 10 realtors, but or if you are everyone doing the email campaigns, it's better to do with the one sender name. So we can use like Remax Infinity, which will help like, so that will go one brand name, so it's represented the one company. And the size of the picture, so we have to the perfect size would be 8.5 by 11 inches, because like because why I'm saying the size is matters, because emails that we check, not everyone not going to check your email by computer. So they can check in the computer or the mobile phone or iPad. So that this size would be perfect to give for any device. And the research proven that 45% of the emails which is viewed by mobile device. So even for the mobile device, it should be a WhatsApp or whatever the platform. And email copy, like if you are like, the other thing is like if you are sending an email, so make sure that you add your email also, so therefore you know that exactly that person has done the email campaign and what time he has done the email campaign, etc. And the information short and to the point, like you don't put so much of information, don't use so much of words in the one body, because there are people, they are not going to read it. So put all the information short and sweet. Like you can maximum, you can, like if it's a, you can list up to 4 properties that you are having in the hand, but it's not recommended to go above more than 4. And the link, like if you are sending the email campaigns, the picture you can hyperlink. So like for example, like if someone once they view the flyer, so if they click on the flyer, it will take you can create 2 options. Either you can lead it to a contact form, so they have to fill the contact email address, mobile number, and submit it. So even for the mobile device, it should be perfect to submit it. So you will be getting those details via email, and you can call them and follow up. Either you can take them to the link where the properties detailed explain. So that's up to you. You can choose whatever that, like you have to make sure, because the emails that they are going to read is professionals. So basically it's not recommended to send it on Monday, because Monday, like people are coming to office with like a lot of plans, so they don't have, I don't think they have time to go through the emails. So what they do, they just come and directly delete all this. So highly recommended to do the email campaigns on Thursdays or Fridays. Point of sending the emails around the 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So if you are sending, better like if you send early, like early in the morning, or like 3 after 3:30 to 4:30, or it's better 3:30 to 4. And the report, so if you are doing the email campaign by another person, they can generate a systematically, they can generate a report where how many emails has been delivered, how many people have viewed it, how many people have clicked on the link. so how many emails has gone to junk, so you can get a report as well. So make sure that you get the report so you can see where you have to go went wrong. And the other thing that I want to highlight, always use different email vendors, because if you choose one person, is there are so many other vendors in the market, so always make sure that you circulate your flyers to different email vendors. And these are the platforms that can be used to like used by ourselves itself to send the email, like SendGrid, Mailchimp, and the Weber Communication. And so that's it about my presentation. And if you like to get access to more educational videos about the marketing and the real estate, so I would like to invite you all to follow the YouTube channel Remax Infinity.
Subscribe.